Howdy, it's Jim Morado, and this is early May 2023. We're about to stop, there. Uranus Fudge Factory, I guess you'd say, in Indiana. And, listen to the novelty songs they're playing. I asked them if they had a CD of that stuff. They did not. I'm going to let this one just kind of go and let the Uranus jokes work for themselves as we're in here. Have you been here? Let me know what you think. This is, heck, it was a lot of fun and goofy. But, check out Uranus. Hello, thank you. We have to get some fudge.
UranusDanceStore.com. I'm gonna go be in Uranus right now. What the fudge you waiting for? Stop wearing all your clothes. UranusDanceStore.com. Order your fudge today.
Those are peppermint. You may not like that one. That's key lime. That's Tootsie Roll.
Katie, if you want to put your thing in here and I'll hold it. Saltwater tap. $20, you will get your copy of the Uranus Examiner for free today. Makes a fun toilet read. You have a good time exploring Uranus today?
Oh, yes. I always do.
Welcome to Uranus. Welcome to Uranus. What's up?
What's up there?
Alrighty. It's going to be $42.62. Thank you. Alright, it's going to be $37.23. There's that. Since you're famous in Uranus, I do need an autograph. Welcome to Uranus. You spent over $20 today. You will receive your Uranus Examiner. There's your receipt.
Right.
Thank you for picking Uranus.
We have.
Thank you. Thank you.
I really like that one.
You want to pretend like that wasn't great?
I see you.
You want to go see?
Yes, you. Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
Yeah, so check that out. I thought that was a blast, and the 13-year-old in me thought it was hysterical. I actually cut out some of my conversation with the girl checking us out. I asked her if she ever got tired of the Uranus joke. She said she loved it, and she never got tired of it. But yeah, you can have ice cream in Uranus, and obviously get fudge. There were people asking to pack our fudge for us. We did buy some fudge, and it was very good, and we just had a great time here. I thought about buying a t-shirt, but I thought I was going to give them to a friend, and I thought that's kind of novel, but it's something they probably would not wear in public. I did buy a couple of postcards, stickers. Souvenirs were pricey, but you get that. You understand. It's a very novel stop, and we were glad that we happened to find ourselves in Uranus, and it was just a total funny. It was funny. If you've been here, let me know what you think. We got a big kick out of it.